If I remember correctly, this is Aloe brevifolia, and it's not supposed to be hardy to my zone. I've had this in the ground for a couple of years. It was a small plant. It's been growing. This thing was actually encased in ice. It actually has flowered for me before, orange flowers. And when it was encased in ice, it didn't look that good. I thought, oh, it's gonna melt. But a lot of it seems to have come back. You can kind of see the bit of damage there, and you kind of see this brownish coloration. So like these ones don't look, yeah, they feel a little not as firm. Maybe not. No, not as firm. Almost feels a little hollow. But doing pretty good, considering I'm not supposed to be able to grow it. So that was the worst weather we had in 5 years. So we're doing okay. I just kind of keep it here. I don't water it. It likes the heat. And hopefully this summer puts up a few flowers. Thanks for watching.